guys, so we found a screen right here, and we also have a nice tree here, nice tree there, and a nice yellow thunderbolt right there. So yeah, well, we have a nice oak there.
Is this my school?
No. His school is very close to the house.
This might be my school. This isn't your school. Because I got the eye for it.
So yeah. So yeah, here we have Thunderbolt 1000T. And yeah. Blower right there. And yeah, somewhat active because I've seen it face in a different direction, but it could also not, and the gears are loose. They're probably stripped. The gears are probably stripped. And yeah. And yeah. And yes, federal signal. So this one was installed later. Yeah, I think this is a late Thunderbolt. Yeah, see barbed wire. And yeah, this is my second Thunderbolt, and yeah, and I love, and yeah. Hey Dad, I don't think this is a playground.
Alright, did you get all the video you wanted, Jimmy?
No.
Alright, a few more seconds and then we're going to head on out.
So here we have some controls.
I like that the box says Thunderbolt on it.
Yes, because it's a Thunderbolt siren. This could be this could have a C-series blower. And ooh, they forgot to lock it.
They forgot to put.
Alright, let's go, guys.
They forgot to put.
But yeah, so we're gonna go play on the playground.
Not here, we're not.
Well,
We're not gonna play on these playgrounds. There's no shade, buddy. There's no shade.
oh,
It's way too hot to be going out there playing on the playground with no shade.
there's two of them.
Yes, but there was no shade on the other one either.
There's trees.
There wasn't. Come on, Lily.
Continue on Preston Road for 1.5 miles.
The video doesn't end here. We have two more sirens.
You don't have to. You want to see them?
Maybe we might go find another one. Alright, I have to delete some big files. So, alright. So I deleted those big files. And yeah, now I'm gonna go to the Thunderbolt.
Hey, don't go in the grass.
Oh. But why not? Blower right there. Alright, so 2001 siren replaced the Thunderbolt, and yeah. And yeah. So We have some nice trees here, and yes. But yeah. Well, I gotta go. So guys, see you in the next video, and bye.